In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a literature review dashboard in Notion using a ready-made template. It's a great way to organize research papers, notes, and references in one place. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Literature Review, Research Dashboard, or Academic Research, then choose a template that fits your needs and click Use this template. Once the template is added to your workspace, replace the sample content with your own research topics and sources. Add details such as the paper title, author, publication year, keywords, and citation information. Use the database to record summaries, key findings, notes, and your own observations. Add tags or categories to group papers by topic, methodology, or research area. Customize the dashboard by creating views for papers you've read, currently reading, or to read, making it easier to manage your research workflow. Update the dashboard regularly as you discover new sources and refine your literature review. That's how to create a literature review dashboard in Notion. Thanks for watching.